Well, hello everybody and welcome back. So today I have two really cool DIYs to show you. As always, they're simple, inexpensive, and really easy to recreate. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For our first DIY, I'll be going in with these clothespins from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take them out to the garage to spray paint, and I'll be spray painting them gold. I'll also be using this clear plastic container, which I already had, and it is from Dollar Tree. Now that I have everything all prepared, I'll begin by gluing down my clothespins in an up-down pattern. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's so wonderful to have you with us today. I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. Now that the first half of this project is complete, I'm going to go in with this candle stand that I had made from a previous project, and all this is 3 of those Dollar Tree glass candle stands glued together with hot glue and then spray painted gold. Off camera, I glued together the 2 pieces. I had an old piece of bling from a previous project, and I'm just going to remove the bag so that I can paint it. I'll be using this white craft paint. Right here you'll just see me gluing on my DIY bling ribbon. For my next DIY, I'm going to go in with this container that I picked up from Michael's a few years back. I'll be starting off with white craft paint, and I'm just going to paint the inside of my container. Now I'll be going in with these pearl jot stickers that I had left over from a previous project. Now I'll be going in with gold metallic craft paint. Next I'll be using gold sequins and glass glitter. Next, I'll be going in with this glass candle stand from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue it to the base of my project off camera. Alright guys, that is it. That's all that I have for you today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!